So now, next up, I'm going to put this back plate behind the motherboard, which is going to help us put the CPU cooler on, and then I'm going to put the motherboard in the case. So I've got to line up all of these spots. Okay, so that's actually not too hard. See, this is nice magnetic screwdriver. Pulls onto the screw, pop it in the corner. I wonder if anyone's ever built a PC and it just went perfectly. And our motherboard is now seated. So then our next step here, I've got it all ready to put the CPU cooler on the CPU. Get it on in one go. Leave it there, screw it in. Okay, this is the final major piece, which is the GPU. This is the different one, as you guys have probably seen over the past few years. AMD versus NVIDIA wars raging on as far as discrete GPUs.